Ever seen those ads promising easy money just for watching short videos? Givvy Shorts is all over the internet, claiming you can earn cash with just a few taps. But in Nigeria, where people are all looking for real opportunities, is Givvy Shorts the real deal or just another time-wasting scam? Let's find out if your time is worth it. Welcome back to the channel, where we cut through the online noise and find genuine ways to make extra income here in Nigeria. Today, we're diving deep into Givvy Shorts. What exactly is it? It's an app that rewards you with virtual coins for watching short videos. Think TikTok or Instagram Reels style content. You then supposedly convert these coins into real money. Sounds simple, right? Well, as we often find, the reality can be a bit more complicated. In this video, we'll cover everything, how it works, the earning potential, and I use that term loosely, the payment process or lack thereof, for some, and ultimately, whether Givvy Shorts is a legit way to earn a few naira or just another app to avoid. So, how does Givvy Shorts actually work? First, you download the app. It's available on most app stores. The sign-up process is pretty straightforward, usually just requiring a Google or Facebook account. Once you're in, you'll see a feed of short, often random videos. You earn coins simply by watching these videos. The longer you watch, supposedly the more coins you get. You'll also see other ways to earn coins, like daily check-ins, inviting friends, and sometimes completing other small tasks within the app. The main goal is to accumulate enough coins to reach the minimum withdrawal threshold, which is where things can get interesting. Now, let's talk about the part you're really here for. The money. And this is where the glossy promises start to fade. The amount of coins you earn per video is incredibly small. I'm talking fractions of a coin in some cases. When you look at the exchange rate to real currency, Naira or USD, you'll quickly realize that the amount of time you need to spend watching videos to earn even a small amount is significant. The earnings were negligible. Okay, so you've managed to accumulate enough coins to try and withdraw. What happens next? Givvy Shorts typically offers various withdrawal methods, which might include PayPal, Payer, or other lesser-known platforms. For Nigerians, the availability and reliability of these methods can be a major issue. Many users have reported significant hurdles when trying to cash out. These can range from extremely high minimum withdrawal limits that take forever to reach, to accounts being flagged or blocked for seemingly no reason when a withdrawal is requested. So, after researching user experiences, here's my honest verdict for my Nigerian audience. While the app might technically offer a way to earn, the earning potential is so incredibly low that it's simply not a viable way to make any meaningful income. The amount of time you invest for the tiny rewards you might, and I emphasize might receive, is just not worth it. Coupled with the numerous reports of withdrawal issues and accounts being blocked, it raises serious red flags. While I won't definitively label it a full-blown scam in the sense that they might not pay anyone at all, it borders on being a waste of valuable time and data, promising much more than it delivers. For anyone in Nigeria looking for real ways to earn online, I would strongly advise you to look elsewhere. Check the channel for content uploaded already on other apps that can help you to achieve that. Remember to subscribe. These options require more effort, but offer significantly higher earning potential and a much more reliable way to generate income. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my future videos where we explore real ways to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.